Yeah.
Ah! Oh! Oh, I almost killed that guy.
That was pretty funny to watch go down, not gonna lie. Oop.
When did they add the Uzi? Wait, we haven't won yet, even with our insane lead?
Nope.
It's wild. I feel like we should have won like an hour ago. Okay, they killed him, and I get my assist. Woo!
Yeah, you guys still have an insane lead. We've just been stalling you guys.
I tried to get you. I didn't have the aim.
Nope, you failed. No.
One mag and a dream.
Oh, this is spooky.
Yo, your whole team just spawned like...
In the same spot.
Oh, yeah, I ran out of ammo. I only had 8 bullets in my bag.
Sure.
No, I swear.
Excuses, excuses.
I'll clip it.